finessing. Straight up, I can't go one day without finessing. Finessing. I can't help 100 minutes, we straight up finessing. Straight up, finessing. I can't go one day without finessing.
What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Iggity Diggity J Diggity, cause I'm with the shiggity J Diggity 92 coming at y'all with another motherfucking unboxing on y'all ass. Nigga, fuck them with nigga, fuck them McGregor's man. Y'all understand? I'm fucking hype for this shit. I'm fucking hype, nigga. Let me fix this camera real quick though, cause I don't want to be bending over like it. Hold on, nigga, cut, nigga, time out, nigga, cut. Aight, nigga, that's better, nigga. Fuck you, man. But today we got a boy, y'all understand. I've been having to wait all day to unbox this junk, cause I got it when my girl was sleeping over my girl's house, and I ain't wanna wake her up with my hypeness or whatever. But nigga, she gone now, so without further ado, let's cut this vid, dog. Hold on, y'all get the thumbnail one time. And another one. And another one. It's like, bro, y'all understand how hype I am? I don't even know what side to unbox, nigga. What we gonna do it? Fuck you mean? Shout out to all y'all though. Just watching this video. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you hit that thumbs up button already. Cause if you didn't, you ain't shit. But today we got an unboxing. Oh, I see the box already. We got an unboxing from StockX. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready for this? Dan. See that shit? Y'all already know what it is, man. Y'all already know what it is, man. We got the black OVO 8. Nigga, fuck this box, nigga. I'm loud as hell. I know people probably under me like, what the fuck going on? But y'all, we got the OVO 8s, man. We can go ahead and pull these out and get my first thoughts on it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, that hype smell, nigga. That shit is marvelous. Damn, we got stickers now? Oh shit. Yo, facts. Hold on, I gotta read this. Shout out to StockX, man. I'm about to fuck with them niggas. So what it says is you came back to the future. Thank you. Now that you're StockX regular, a few things to remember. Free shipping after every 5 purchases. Damn. Oh shit, my nigga Josh, the CEO, it's a Josh Connect. Bro, shout out to StockX, fam. Oh shit. I ain't gonna tell y'all how much I spent, because I feel stupid for spending that much, but y'all ready? I don't even think I'm ready. Size 12. OVO 8s in that black. Let's go. Oh, motherfucker! Oh my shit! Oh my god, these bitches feel so good. The quality is there, dog. Oh, it's there, dog. Oh my god, the quality is definitely hitting, bruh. Oh my shit, dead stop 2 bitches. Oh my god. And this only my second pickup from StockX, so I'll be forgetting about this green tag, nigga. Oh my god. I know y'all like, I wish this nigga shut up. They ain't even that special of a shoe, nigga. To me, it the fuck is, nigga. I'll get more into detail on what I paid when I do the motherfucking review. But I'm just gonna tell y'all I feel dumb as hell for paying as much as I did pay for these Uvo 8s, nigga. But I ain't gonna fake, that shit was worth it, nigga. I man, that's why I wasn't even tripping when I ain't copped the bread, nigga. The craftsmanship, oh my lord. But I'm gonna shut up because I'm stuck. I'm stuck, y'all. I'm fucking stuck, nigga. I got the Uvo 8s, nigga. The Uvo 8s, nigga. But man, y'all don't understand, bro. I wanted these bitches. I wanted these. Out of all the OVOs, I had to have these. I had to. It was like a non-option for me. Man, I'm stuck. What is this, suede? What is that, suede? That shit is beautiful. That's suede. Oh my, bruh. I'ma shut up. Y'all be prepared for the official review this Saturday. I should have dropped this on a Monday. And these hoes is fire. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I'm not even mad I didn't get the bread ones with the bread toes, nigga. Fuck them bread toes, niggas. About OVOs out this bitch, nigga. 6 God Diggy, nigga. We about to drop the meanest freestyle out this bitch. A 2018, nigga. Fuck you mean, nigga. But bruh, these Jones is fire. Shout out to StockX. Y'all watch out for that motherfucking review coming soon. I can't wait to do that shit so I can rap to y'all. Nigga, please watch that bitch. Cause I got finessed. I'm not gonna lie. The finesse god got finessed on this purchase, but it was well worth it, nigga. Bars, nigga, we coming with them shits hard, nigga. Fuck you mean? Driving supercars, nigga, cause I'm a superstar, nigga. Jay Dicky in the cut, I don't really give a fuck, nigga. Gon' throw it up, nigga, if you with the bus, nigga. Oh my god, nigga, the Drizzy vibes is all through here. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all out of here. Oh shit. Nigga, make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, join that motherfucking God Squad if you haven't already. I know y'all like this nigga cussing his ass off. I can't help it. I curse when I get excited. So if you came here from Facebook, I'm sorry, nigga, but this ain't your mama's channel. Nigga, this the God channel. So join the God Squad, cause we gods in it, bitch. Fuck you mean, nigga. Finesse ain't strong, you won't go wrong. But you might get finesse sometimes if you my dumb ass. But either way, look out for that review. I'm telling you, the review is something you're not gonna wanna miss. I'm telling you, bruh, you're not gonna wanna miss that. So make sure you check out that On Feet and review coming soon. You wanna follow me on anything, you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, all that. JDiggy92. Shout out to Art Pace, Finesse God Masterpieces, and go copy some dope art. Man, I ain't gonna fake. I'm ready to try these bitches on right now. The lace quality, even the lace. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all when I see y'all. Bro, these bitches is immaculate. Should I do it? Should I lick the?